Hello, everyone. Are you looking for the best reliable, precise, and easy-to-use electric toothbrush, but don't know which one to choose? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll present the top 3 Oral-B iO electric toothbrushes on the market in 2025. We'll dive into their features, advantages, disadvantages, and even customer reviews to help you make the best choice. Let's get started. Top 3. We have the Oral-B iO Series 2 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. This model is perfect for those new to electric toothbrushes. It features a one-touch button for easy operation, 3 cleaning modes, super sensitive, gentle, and daily clean, a 2-minute timer with 30-second alerts to ensure you brush evenly, an automatic pressure sensor to protect your gums from overbrushing. Advantages: it's simple, gentle, and great for beginners. The pressure sensor is a standout feature for gum protection. It's affordable compared to higher-end models. Disadvantages: some users find the mode switching process a bit rushed. The brush head may feel large for those with smaller mouths. Many users love its simplicity and effectiveness, especially for its price. However, a few wish for a smoother transition between modes. If you're looking for an entry-level electric toothbrush, the iO Series 2 is a solid choice. Top 2. We have the Oral-B iO Deep Clean Plus Whiten Electric Toothbrush. This model steps up the game with 5 cleaning modes for a personalized experience, a smart display to track brushing time and battery life, a pressure sensor that signals if you're brushing too hard or too soft, a travel case and refill holder for convenience. Advantages: it's packed with advanced features like real-time brushing feedback via the Oral-B app. The 5 cleaning modes cater to all your oral care needs. It's great for on-the-go use with its travel case. Disadvantages: some users find it a bit pricey. Battery life could be longer for heavy users. Users rave about its cleaning power and the app's real-time tracking. However, a few mention the higher price point as a drawback. If you want a feature-rich toothbrush with smart technology, the iO Deep Clean Plus Whiten is a fantastic option. And finally, top 1, the Oral-B iO Deep Clean Plus Protect Electric Toothbrush. This premium model includes 5 cleaning modes: daily clean, sensitive, whitening, gum care, and intense clean, a smart display for mode selection and battery tracking, a fast charger and travel case for convenience, a pressure sensor for optimal brushing pressure. Advantages: it combines rotary and sonic brushing for a superior clean. The app integration helps you track your brushing habits. The fast charger and travel case make it perfect for frequent travelers. Disadvantages: some users note that the battery life could be improved. Customers love its versatility, cleaning power, and the added convenience of the travel case. It's a top choice for those who want the best of the best. To recap, here are the top 3 Oral-B iO electric toothbrushes. 1. iO Deep Clean Plus Protect, the ultimate choice for advanced features and versatility. 2. iO Deep Clean Plus Whiten, a smart, feature-packed option for personalized cleaning. 3. iO Series 2, a simple, affordable, and effective entry-level model. If you're new to electric toothbrushes, start with the iO Series 2. If you want smart features and app integration, go for the iO Deep Clean Plus Whiten. And if you're looking for the best overall experience, the iO Deep Clean Plus Protect is the way to go. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices and availability. Let me know in the comments which toothbrush you're considering, or if you already own one of these models. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more reviews and recommendations. See you in the next video.